Welcome to KTN Sports. My name is Robinson Okenya. We begin with athletics, where the athletics governing body is putting all plans in place to make sure athletes post good results in the 2018 season that will kick off with the Africa Cross Country Championships and the World Half Marathon Championships in Valencia. Meanwhile, the Sports Personality of the Year awards will be held on the 17th of January.
Season for Kenya as far as the athletes' performances in numerous competitions is concerned. On top of memorable performances, the successful hosting of the World Under-18 Athletics Championships falls under the Athletics Kenya 2017 achievements. Currently, focus is on the local National Cross Country Series that's heading to its fourth stop in Iten. Some of the athletes are taking part in the cross country as a build-up towards the track season, while some hope it will culminate at the Africa Cross Country Championships in Algeria.
We are serious ourselves, very serious in Athletics Kenya, that we want to select a good team, a strong team that will go and defend the cup in Algeria. Heading to the 2018 season, Athletics Kenya President Jackson Tuwei acknowledged that doping remains a challenge despite efforts in carrying out numerous seminars and anti-doping campaigns. Of course, the London World Championship was particularly challenging because of the doping issue once again. But at least we managed. We managed to field a team that did extremely well. So again, unfortunately, you are aware that this watch list situation is still extended to 2018.
Meanwhile, Athletics Kenya will carry out its cross-country activities with no financial challenges following an 8 million sponsorship from lottery company Lotto.
We are honored to be part of a great tradition by Kenya, where we get to discover new talent and also support our existing crop of talented athletes.
Vivian Chariot.
Elsewhere, nominations for the 2017 Sports Personality of the Year Award SOYA are ongoing.
Other structures and processes are already in place. The panel is fully constituted. They have started sitting. And indeed, they are receiving nominations from within and without the panel. So I would say it is all system go.
The Sports Personality of the Year Awards will be held on the 17th of January. Lynn Washira, KTN News.